Hey guys, Les here from BG Trading. Let's kick off with another analysis. Today, as a request from our VIP members, I'm going to be analyzing a Lithium Australia, which the ASX code is LIT. Okay, so here we go. First of all, remember this is not a financial advice. This is only sharing with you the way we apply our strategies for the stocks. Okay, and therefore how we determine whether we should enter into a position or we should just wait or even sell a position. If you like this video, please press the like button and also subscribe to the channel. We also have a Facebook group, which is free. A lot of content about our strategies in there. If you want to learn a little bit more, we have an upcoming trading course all about our BG trading strategies and BGS20 strategy. Okay, so jump in our Facebook group, details below, and you're going to know exactly what we're talking about. Okay, let's go. Let's start with the analysis. It's just 5 minutes video. Gotta be quick on this. Right. First thing we need to make sure we have our indicators on the charts, okay? So you gotta make sure all the indicators are there. So SMA in red, EMA in yellow, okay? Just gonna increase a little bit the strength of EMA here. Let's just go there, make a little bit, maybe 3 pixels better. Okay, 3 pixels in there. And SMA, let's also increase the strength on this. We also want volume as well. Volume is very important, okay? As you can see on this position, volume is being really trending down, which this stock, particularly stock, Lithium Australia, went up about 160 or something, 160%, 180%. It actually reached 21 cents or 180% in about 1, 2, 3, 4 days. Unbelievable, eh? Because the hype of the sector, lithium sector, okay? Lithium has been underpriced for quite a long time, and only very recently we have this massive spike and boom, and most of the stocks, lithium stocks, went up. But problem is, most of those lithium stocks that went up, they're exploration companies, and they don't even produce anything, and also they don't have very great fundamentals. Okay, it's very purely speculative. So what I want to do is lithium is Australia for us. It's also very speculative stock. We wouldn't put money in it at this stage. Okay, and I show you why. Okay, here you go. Could be another run. It could, but as you can see, the volume is being it's heading towards to almost nothing. Today is Friday on the 5th of February 2021, and we only have 123 trades or under $300,000 in trades in this stock. So it's very low liquidity, which means, and that's explained why the price moves so quickly. Okay, you can move really quickly to the upside, but also can move really quickly to the downside, just because that low liquidity. Very dangerous. Okay, so now, as you know, according to BGS20 strategy, we're only going to be buying the stock around SMA levels. Okay, so in this case, SP, which is the candles, the share price is trading 62% above, still trading 62% above SME 40. Okay, so we don't want that. We really don't want to buy when it's that high. It's very dangerous. So let's say, for instance, we just missed the boat. Okay, want to enter in that now, regardless of what I said. Okay, here you go, another strategy for you. Okay, let's say you want to enter because you think that's going to have a short term. It's still going to go up on the short term. What do you do then? According to our strategy, what we do, let's say we're buying now. Ideally, what we do, you just disregard the SMA. Okay, forget about the SMA and just think about the EMA. Okay, the yellow line. The yellow line is exponential moving average 9 days. Okay, as you can see here, you can use this as a reference as well. And ideally, you want to be buying the first green candle under EMA, because it's very likely that it's going to go up again. Let's just move from candle to Heikin Ash. Okay, here you go. You see the Heikin Ash is weakening here. So we buy here because it's weakening, so which means there's not enough sellers to sustain a crash. So what happens is we buy here and then we wait, and then we hold the stock as long as it trades above EMA. Okay, but if it happens to become a red candles and crossing, doing this sort of a bearish intersection here, this is a bearish intersection, guys. Bearish intersection. Okay, if that happen again, we just sell regardless, because the crash can be pretty bad. Okay, so let's say if it crashes from now to what is to the SMA, you probably be looking at 35% down. So would the stock keep going up if lithium demand continues to go up and the company present good prospects and projects in it, and then obviously it's going to go up. But at this stage, you might get stuck with your money for quite a long time. We've done in the past, okay, and we obviously learned with our mistakes on that, and that's what we're doing here. We're sharing what we learned, so we avoid doing the same mistakes that we made in the past. Okay, so with Legion, if you buy now, you still want to buy it, okay, just buy, but be mindful to sell as soon as the SP red candle crosses the EMA. As long as trade above, that's fine. Just keep the stock, all right? And then make sure we have a target in mind. Very important. If you don't have a target in mind, forget it. It's pointless, because the stock can go 100% up and then a few weeks later go down 100% or 50% or whatever, and then you lose all the profit you didn't lock in. So make sure you have like a solid sort of a target price. Okay, so BGS 20 strategy normally targets 20 to 30%. Now in this stock, you could target a round number like 25 cents. That would be appreciation of it's really on the blue. Like we can't even use any reference to do that. That's why it's very tricky. We wouldn't trade this stock, to be honest. But let's say if you target under 25 cents, you're gonna be looking at cutting a profit of 57% gain on this. Okay, again, we wouldn't enter now. We would wait SP to go down to SMA levels. If you want to enter, that's your own risk. And this is Lithium Australia analysis by BG Trading. Thanks a lot, guys. This is Friday. Hope you have a great weekend, and we talk next video.